Hello guys, welcome to my channel Study Up. Today I have come here to represent you a new chapter of class 10, chapter 10 trigonometry. Now what is trigonometry, why trigonometry, and what is the applications, all I will explain in my video. So let's start. Necessity is the mother of invention. প্রয়োজনের তাগিদ বড় তাগিদ। এই কথাটি, this word we have to remember first. Trigonometry, why? কি, কেন? Trigonometry, trigon. It is based upon the three word trigonometry. Trigonometry. Okay? All have three different meaning. So, let's see, in the previous time, the height of the pyramid, how to measure without reaching the pyramid, without going to the pyramid, we have to measure the height of the pyramid. So this efforts, this necessity continuously feeds on the scientists and the mathematicians. Besides this, suppose this is the river. It is high current river. That means Pachanda Kharashwada Nadi. So how to measure without crossing the river? How to measure the breadth of the river without crossing it? Is it possible? No, but possible. Geometry means deals with the measurement of angles and certain limited angles 0 to 360. But in case of trigonometry is a branch of science which deals with the measurement by angles and sides with the help of the sides of triangle, that is the right angle triangle. And in this way, without there is a big palm tree, big pyramid, Taj Mahals, so how to measure the height without reaching it? How to measure the breadth of the river? So let's discuss in this trigonometry chapter. Trigonometry. What is the meaning of trigonometry? So let's see. Trigon, tri. Tri means three. Gon, sides. Greek meaning, the Greek meaning, trigon, metron. From the metron, comes metry, measurement. Measurement. So three sides measurement. The trigonometry means three sides measurement. Okay. So three sides measurement. This is trigonometry, the study of the relationship between sides and angle of a triangle. It is the study of the relationship between the sides and angle of a triangle. Clear? So this is the trigonometry. So before going to the measurement relationship to the sides and angle of a triangle, let's look about angle. Okay. So what is the angle? See, angle के सब student को पता है what is angle, how angle is originated. We know all of you angle क्या है. Angle दोनों type होता है. So this is the ray, this is one of the ray. These two ray point out there. This joining point of two there forms an angle. Okay, this is angle in one sense. Besides this, in term of, suppose this is the circle. Oh, okay, this is the center. Okay, this is the radius. Okay, this is also radius, two ray, and this is the arc. This is the arc. This is the arc. The arc point. This is the radius. Clear? This is the radius. This is the center. If you, and suppose this is the angle formed between two these, right? So what is the definition? What is the angle? How will form this measurement of the angle? The measurement of angles, this is, you can see it, Greek, so many Greek words are there we are using in our mathematics, in physics, in chemistry also. Theta, psi, phi, alpha, beta, omega, so many Greek signs there. So let's see, this is theta. Theta. So what is the measurement of theta? Theta is, you can, if you divide the arc length, that is the L, by the measurement radius length, that is arc. And this division gives the measurement of theta. Clear? This is equals to theta. That is the theta angle can be measured by the division of the arc length by radius length. And it can be measured, it is in case of trigonometry. In geometry you all know there is a degree, 2 degree, 3 degree, 4 degree, 5 degree, and particular definite angles are there. But in case of trigonometry we will see after some time there is no limit. In case of, it can be measured in the radian. Actually radian is constant, it has no particular unit, the angle. Suppose if you length centimeter, it is centimeter, centimeter cut here. Is there any unit? No. But you have to measure angle. So this measure is radian. It can be measured in radian. And sine is small c. What is the definition of 1 radian? If this length of the arc and length of the radius is same, that is L equals to R. In that case, theta equals to L by L, R by equals to 1, that is 1 radian. This is known as 1 radian. When the arc length and radius will be same, that is 1 radian. Clear? Now come, let's see, in geometry sense of geometry, angle may be 0 to 360. We all know 360. But in case of trigonometry, the limitation of angle is from 0 to 360 से ज़्यादा, इन्फिनिटी. 0 भी हो सकता है, पॉजिटिव भी हो सकता है, नेगेटिव भी हो सकता है. कितना दूर पॉजिटिव होगा, कितना नेगेटिव होगा, वो इन्फिनिटी में हो जाएगा. See, give an example. So this is the initial position, initial way, the initial, okay, it rotates anti-clockwise, and this is the, what is this? Initial, first and second terminal. This is the terminal position, okay? This is the initial position. This ray, this rotates anti-clockwise, okay, and it forms an angle, that is alpha or theta, whatever you think, alpha. And from here it again rotates anti-clockwise, and it also forms beta. It is A1, it is OA, A2. In this way it forms an angle, and it may come out here as a, when it forms out here, this is 180 degree, and in when it moves, rotates anti-clockwise direction, it will be regarded as positive angle. It is positive angle. Anti-clockwise means positive angle. Sure? Okay. So this is 180 degree. Then it rotates. Suppose out here, this is the initial, and rotating, it comes out here. This is also angle greater than 180. This is 180. This is greater than 180 but less than 360. Clear? And this is the positive angle. ओके, इन केस सपोज एंगल 0 ये हो सकता है क्या? 0 हो सकता है, यस 0 और 360 हो सकता है। दिस इज द इनिशियल। रोटेट करने के बाद ये आ गया यहाँ पर, दिस इज द टर्मिनल पोजीशन। सो व्हाट इज दिस एंगल? दिस इज 360 और 0 डिग्री और 360। कैसे होता है? आई एम कमिंग, दिस इज 360 टोटल एंगल 360 और 0 डिग्री। The terminal positions and initial position superimposed. Okay, so this is the positive angle, and up to again it will starting rotation. Then 360 plus, this is 360 plus alpha, this is 360 plus alpha. Then again it will rotate anti-clockwise rotation. So it may be continued up to infinity. That is, theta, value of theta will be infinity positive. When it rotates, now see, when it rotates anti-clockwise direction, that is initial position. Okay, if it rotates in this direction, not this, and it is clockwise direction इधर होता है, right से left, so it rotation in this direction, that is minus alpha OA1, again this is out here minus beta OA2, ऐसे घूम के this again 180 360 minus 360, again minus 360 minus alpha, that is minus 360 plus alpha, ऐसे it is okay, ऐसे this is 180 minus 180, 360 minus 360, again minus alpha, that is minus 360 plus alpha, ये भी हो सकता है। तो थीटा को वैल्यू क्या होता है? नेगेटिव भी, 0 भी, पॉजिटिव भी। ये कितना तक नेगेटिव होता है? इन्फिनिटी। सो द वैल्यू ऑफ थीटा में बी कहां से कहां तक? इन्फिनिटी तक से माइनस इन्फिनिटी, इतना तक। ओके, ग्रेटर देन प्लस लेस देन, दैट इज द इन बिटवीन दिस थीटा का वैल्यू। ओके, सो माइनस अल्फा plus alpha, minus infinity, plus infinity, 0, all are possible. In case of geometry, what do you know? 0, 2, 3, 5, 80, 180, 230, something comes to 360. But in case of trigonometry, number may be minus 360. Okay. So this is the length concept of angle. Okay. So what we see out here, if radian, what we see example, what we earlier given example, the radius and arc measurement same. Suppose arc measurement or radius are not same. In that case, if the arc is, this is 8 centimeter and this is the 4 centimeter, so 4 centimeter, this is 2. This value of theta equals to 2. What is the 2? 2 radian, and it is important to see, not degree. The degree and radian, the what you see, there is the 2 types of angles are there. 2 types of angles are there. What we see out here, I am going to discuss the trigonometry, but before trigonometry, it is very important to discuss these things for your higher studies. That's why I am describing it. Okay, so in this case, what you see, geometric angles and trigonometric angles. Geometric angle, what you see, the 0 to 360, and trigonometric concept, the angle, value of angle will be 0 to any measurement, 0 to infinity, 0 to minus infinity. Okay, this concept. So one set concept is degree measurement, and the concept is radian measurement. One concept is degree measurement, and other is radian measurement. What is degree measurement? What is radian measurement? You should have to know. तो degree क्या होता है? Okay, see, in case of degree measurement, suppose this is initial, घूमते 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 anti-clockwise. Here is the terminal position. So this is 180 degree we know. This is the straight angle we know. The straight angle we know. Straight angle होता. This is 180 degree. This is degree measurement. Degree में क्या कहते हैं? Degree measurement equals to 180 degree. 180 degree. Clear? In case of trigonometry measurement, what is this? It will be known as straight line. Straight line, that is straight angle. It is a straight angle. It will be regarded as, in case of trigonometric measurement, it will be pi. Okay? This is 180 degree. It is pi. That means what you see in degree pi 180 degree equals to pi radian. It is pi radian. It is measurement in radian. 180 degree. Suppose it is divided by 2, 90 degree. It is divided by 2, pi by 2 radian. If it is 60 degree, what will be the radian? It is divided by 3. So it is divided by 3, pi by 3 radian. Okay? So in this way, you can convert the degree to radian. Degree to radian, you can get it easily. Okay? Sure, it is very easy. Now, we come how to convert also. You can easily convert the radian to degree. That is trigonometric measurement into geometrical measurement. Conversion will come, short questions. It is also, you can know also the degree to minute, degree to second. There is a relation. I will not go details. That's right. That is one right angle. Right angles means this right angle equals to 90 degree. The 90 degree, this degree equals to one right angle. Mind, note it down. Okay. Again, 1 degree equals to what? 1 degree equals to what? Tell. 60 minutes. Okay. 1 minute equals to 60 seconds. This is also the conversion. Some will come. Degree to right angle, degree to minute, minute to second. So degree, minute, second area, the conversation we'll see. We'll learn out here. Now we'll come about the trigonometry, the main point. Before trigonometry, I just describe a little bit. There is so many things are discussions. So not so the trigonometry. Then in the trigonometry ratio, concept of trigonometry, you need to know about the right angle, concept of right angle triangle. Suppose this is the right angle triangle. This is the right angle triangle. Clear? Pythagoras theorem. This is 90 degree. Right angle means right angle. What do you know? What do you know? And these two angles must be acute angle, less than 90 degree. Suppose this is theta. You can consider this also theta, or this also. Any two also take. You can consider theta, this also, and this is right angle. So always remember what is the perpendicular, what is base, and what is hypotenuse. You must know the just opposite to right angle. Right angle इसका opposite. इसके सामने जो है साइड है वो होगा hypotenuse. H कर्न बाय hypotenuse. थीटा जो होगा, थीटा किसका साथ होगा? जो एडजेसेंट साइड्स है, एक हाइपोटेन्यूज है, एक होगा बेस आधार. ये है बेस आधार. ये हाइपोटेन्यूज कर्न, यह लंब, यह हुआ परपेंडिकुलर लंब. So this is very important. If you consider this angle is theta, so this angle theta, this is two adjacent sides, this is hypotenuse, this will be base, and in that this will be perpendicular. So we consider this angle theta, you have to consider which is base and which is perpendicular. But you must remember just 90 degree right angle, and before it opposite to right angle will always be hypotenuse. Okay, Bengali में अतिभुज, लंब, भूमि, base, आधार. Clear? So now come, what is the relation? What is this? In this relation, we have to find out the relation between the sides, three sides with respect to this angle. You have to find out the relation, sides with the angle. I have earlier said it is the relation between the angle and sides of a triangle, right angle triangle. So, perpendicular, base and hypotenuse. Okay, this relation of sides and angle, in trigonometry there are 6 relations must come. The relation may be considered in the angle theta and sine theta, cos theta, cosine theta, cosec theta, cosecant, tangent tan theta, cotangent cot theta, secant sec theta. Okay, sine, cosec, cos, sec, tan, cot. I am coming for how you find out what is what. Suppose before this you have to find out rhymes that Pandit Badri Prasad har bole. Pandit Badri Prasad har bole. Okay, Pandit Badri Prasad har bole. Or lalka अथवा a curly brown spots done upon the wall turns permanently black. This rhymes also you can memorize for memory of the relationship between the ratio of the sides. Okay, suppose Pandit Badri Prasad, P for perpendicular, okay, H for hypotenuse, B for base, H for hypotenuse, P for perpendicular, B for base. If you consider P by B with respect to this theta, if we consider P by B, P by H, then P by H equals to sine theta. This will be P by H, that is the perpendicular by height, hypotenuse, perpendicular by hypotenuse equals to, it will be sine, S-I-N-E, short S-I-N, sine theta. Okay, same thing, B by H, it will be base by hypotenuse, it will be cos of this angle theta. With respect to this, you have to ratio of these sides and P by B, perpendicular by base, this will be tan theta. So P by H sin theta, P by B by H cos theta, P by B tan theta. The ratio of the two sides with respect to this angle. So you have to memorize by Pandit Badri Prasad har bole, sona chandi tole. Okay. So sona chandi tole. Or in case of lalka, lam bate kar, a lam bate kar. This is the lam bate kar. This is sin theta. Okay. This is base, adhar bate kar. This is other bate kern cos. Okay, and this is lum. Okay, lum bate base, lum bate other. This is tan. Lalka. You can also confine this lalka. Lum bate kern sin, other bate kern cos, lum bate other tan. अगर कौन बदी प्रेशर हरा बोले high brown curly brown fox stand top of the wall turns permanently black. You can also use this, try this in at home. Okay, this is the ratio. Now if you go to the reciprocal, just if you turn, this is h by p, that is 1 by p by h. 1 by p by, this is reciprocal of this relation. 1 by p by h, that is 1 by sin theta. You can say 1 by sin theta equals to 1 by p by h equals to h by p equals to cosine. In simple में cosec theta. Okay, cos 1 by cos, the relationship it will be sec theta, that is h by b. 1 by b by h, that is 1 by cos 1 by b by a equals to h by b equals to cos into cos, that is a sec theta. Same thing, 1 by p by b, that is 1 by tan 1 by p by b. Okay, that is b by base by perpendicular, perpendicular by base, base by perpendicular, cot theta. So 6 relationships we have got it. This is this by this, this by this, this by this. Let go. This by this, this by this, this by this. So 3 and 3, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 relations we have got in this chapter, first video. So what is sin theta? Perpendicular by hypotenuse. You have to remind it. If you don't remind this, go through this relation. Okay. So next day I will also discuss about so many things. Sin square plus cos square, 1 plus cos square, 1 plus cot square, 1 plus sec square. The relationship by squaring this, by dividing the sides of something, I will discuss next day. So goodbye. Okay. So please subscribe me and subscribe my channels. Also like and share it. Thank you, my students. Goodbye.